The iPad mini 7 has been generating a lot of buzz lately, with many speculating that its launch could be just around the corner. According to rumors, Apple may release this highly anticipated device as early as October 2023. If true, this would be the first update to the iPad mini lineup in over 2 years, and it's expected to bring some exciting new features. While nothing is confirmed yet, many believe that this new model will come with significant upgrades, making it an even more powerful and versatile device for users. One of the most talked about features of the iPad mini 7 is its rumored faster chip. This upgrade could significantly improve the overall performance, making the device faster and more responsive. In addition to the chip, both the front and rear cameras are expected to see improvements. This could mean better quality photos and smoother video calls, which would be great for those who use their iPad mini for communication and content creation. Connectivity is also expected to get a boost. The iPad mini 7 is rumored to support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, offering faster speeds and more reliable connections. This would be a welcome upgrade for users who rely on stable connectivity for streaming, gaming, or multitasking. Lastly, one of the most anticipated improvements is a fix for the jelly scrolling issue that some users noticed in the previous model. This issue caused a slight distortion when scrolling on the display, and many are hopeful that the iPad mini 7 will resolve this problem. To better understand what the iPad mini 7 could offer, it's helpful to look back at the iPad mini 6, which was released in September 2021. The iPad mini 6 brought a fresh design with its 8.3-inch display, featuring slim bezels and a sleek modern look. It also introduced the USB-C port, making charging and data transfer more versatile for users who needed compatibility with other devices. Under the hood, the iPad mini 6 came equipped with the A15 Bionic chip, giving it impressive performance at the time. It also supported 5G, making it one of the most powerful and portable tablets in its class. The Touch ID power button provided convenient security, while the 12-megapixel rear camera with center stage technology made video calls more engaging by automatically keeping the subject in the frame. The iPad mini 6 was also compatible with the second-generation Apple Pencil, making it a popular choice for creatives and professionals. While there is plenty of excitement around the iPad mini 7, there's still some uncertainty about when it will actually be released. Some reports suggest that the device is already in mass production and could hit the market in the second half of 2024. However, there are conflicting rumors that it may still arrive in late 2023, possibly as soon as October. This has left many fans wondering exactly when they'll be able to get their hands on it. Apple hasn't confirmed any of these details yet, so it's still up in the air. Whether we'll see the iPad mini 7 this year or next remains a mystery. What's clear, though, is that whenever it does arrive, it's expected to bring several exciting upgrades that could make it a standout option in Apple's tablet lineup. In summary, the iPad mini 7 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade for its predecessor, with rumors of a faster chip, improved cameras, enhanced connectivity, and a fix for the jelly scrolling issue. It's clear that Apple is aimed to refine what was already a well-loved device. However, the big question remains, will we see the iPad mini 7 launch in 2023 or 2024? For now, all we can do is wait for official confirmation from Apple. But one thing's for sure, whenever it arrives, the iPad mini 7 could be the perfect blend of portability, power, and practicality, making it a strong choice for a wide range of users.